ready to turn those kicks collecting dust into cold, hard cash. Let's break down exactly how to sell your shoes on Stockx, step by step. First, head over to Stockx.com or download the Stockx app and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a minute. Next, find the Sell button, usually located at the top of the page or in the Ads menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can search for the shoe you want to sell. Use the search bar to type in the exact name of your shoe, including the model, colorway, and size. Be precise. Stockx relies on accurate listings. Once you find the right shoe, select your shoe size. You'll then see the current highest bid, which is the highest price someone is willing to pay right now. Now, you have two options. You can either sell immediately to the highest bidder, or you can set your own asking price to maximize profits. Try setting a price slightly above the highest bid, but still competitive. Review all the details carefully, including the Stockx transaction fees and the shipping deadline. Once you're happy with everything, confirm your sale. Now for the crucial part, packaging. Pack your shoes securely in their original box and follow Stockx's shipping guidelines. They'll send you a prepaid shipping label. Once Stockx receives and authenticates your shoes, you get paid. That's it, you've officially sold your shoes on Stockx. Remember to always ship quickly and accurately to maintain a good seller rating.